How to trade economic news. Economic releases are publications of various economic reports and statistics, such as gross domestic product, unemployment, inflation or interest rates, retail sales, industrial production index, trade balance, and other surveys and data. Of great importance are announcements made by key representatives of major national financial institutions, for example the Federal Reserve, or the Department of the Treasury in the USA, or the Bank of England in Great Britain. Let's take an example. On the 13th of June 2018, the US Federal Reserve raised its key interest rates by 25 basis points, from 1.75% to 2%. As a result, the dollar strengthened against the emerging market currencies and hit a 3-week high against the Japanese yen. Following the Fed announcements, a trader could make a profit by buying the US dollar and selling the Japanese yen. On our platform, the newsfeed is available in the Market Analysis section on the left-hand side panel. In order to follow the economic releases, use the Forex calendar in the same section. We wish you successful trading.